When the storms of life surround me and I cannot see the way, Avinu, my loving Father, holds me close and bids me stay. Though the darkness tries to claim me, your light shines and makes me whole. You are my eternal Father, guardian of my weary soul. Avinu, Avinu, our Father who cares. Through valleys and mountains, your love is always there. In joy and in sorrow, in sunshine and rain, Avinu, sweet Father, your mercy will remain.
When my heart is heavy laden and my faith begins to shake, Jesus, you're my gentle Father. Every burden you will take. Though the world may turn against me and my strength begins to fail, you lift up my head with mercy. In your love I will not